Good morning, third graders. Mrs. Sayers here today to teach you a little bit more about the choice boards and the options that you've got going on with them, and so you understand how you can explore them and how easy they are. So when you go into your third grade Sierra Vista classroom, the first thing you're going to see is the choice boards. Now, each choice board here is a different subject. One is writing, one is reading, one is math, one is grammar, and one is PE. Okay, for this one, I'm going to choose the verb choice board to show you what it's all about. Now, if you want to know what you're learning with this choice board, all you need to do is look at the center. So for this choice board, I know that I'm going to be learning how to use verbs correctly. Okay, and now all of this are all the different activities. There are 8 different activities for you to choose from. The icon that you see on the activity will tell you what kind of activity it is. If you see the little controller, you know it's a game. If you see the little worksheet, you know it's some kind of interactive Google slide or Google worksheet. If you see the pencil, you know you've got to do something and then write something on paper. And if you see this little guy over here, then you know you're going to watch a video and respond or do something with that video. Okay, for anything that is interactive like this, like Google Slides, the most important thing you need to remember is to make a copy. You are not going to have access to make changes to the original one that's created. You have to make your own copy of it, and let me show you how easy you can do that. So say I'm going to do these ABC verbs here. I'm going to click where it says Google Slides. Okay, I'm going to click on the presentation itself. But the very first thing that I need to do is I need to make it mine. Okay, I need to make a copy of it that I can use for myself. So I'm going to go here to File. I'm going to go down to Make a Copy. And I want to copy the entire presentation, not just a couple of slides. I want the whole thing. So I'm going to click on Entire Presentation. Now, here's the important part. I want you to take out the words copy of. And at the end of it, you're going to want to put your name. Okay, that way when you send it to your teacher later or you have it later and it gets sent there, we know whose it is when you see it. Okay, and most of the time with all of these different activities, there's somewhere where you could always put your name on one of the front pages as well. And so now you've got your own verb activity that you can work on. And when you're done with it, all you need to do is share it with your teacher using this button right here, clicking share, and then putting your teacher's email address in here, like Mrs. Sayers' address. Okay, and then you click send. And when you're done with it, you automatically send it to your teacher and they can see the work that you've done.